someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma pop out. Don't play with someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
We're about to drift the M6, man. We're making another video. Hopefully this can be 8 minutes because we need the content, man. So we're gonna go ahead and drift the M6. Let's see. That boy said, Robert, the wide body suits you. Sure?
Yeah, pretty. How you feel about being the passenger in the M6?
He said,
I'm fucking crazy.
seat belt, safety first, as my boy Von Hilton would say.
Yeah, we promote safety.
I'm saying.
You ready?
No, but that's stunt.
It can't come from under a chair, bro.
Traction fully off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Y'all ready?
Oh my goodness.
Open. Damn, the thing's going in my eyes and shit. Just got stiff. That shit was lit. Traction on, bro. That shit ain't turned off. Yes, sir. Ask him who teach him. Me. Oh. Yes, sir. Fuck. I can't drive. Boy, I mean, he's driving. If you say he thought you said you couldn't drive. Come on, bro. Tell him how.
What you about to spin now?
The M3, the 340.
Oh, I love this blue.
Yeah. You know we blue crew. Is recording? You know what I'm saying?
Look like you are going from.
I must spin it, man. I right hand driving.
Why is it so different?
Put this in your pocket.
Works.
Promote safe driving. Yeah. Me have to hold it down, right?
Yeah.
Who's calling me?
Who's?
And, well, I gotta say fix my seat.
Make sure when you drift it out, you get them some burble to them, you know?
How you do that? Okay. Ready? Tell me when to stop.
watching for that patrol shit.
That shit is one-wheel drive or what? I'm not satisfied with that.
Something with that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I thought you turn off the two clip open your door.
Hold on, back it up a little more now. Alright. Alright, 550 time. I mean, have your key?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, huh?
What gear was that second one?
That was first, but that time I hold it down, so I gave it all gas. Before I was just playing with it, because you gotta learn it first, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You can't go crazy when it's your first time drifting it.
Key inside.
Key inside? Alright. Last car today, before the Hellcat Durango. Hey, ready now, boy. Next. Next, boy, next. Huh? You have a taser? Huh? You have a taser? No, 2021, it comes with that. You can, yeah, 2020. That boy got the new shit, boy. Damn. Okay.
Gunshot bomber, bro. I need to hear that pop. Oh, you coming? I'm coming and almost stuck in this shit.
That's it, I'm coming almost stuck in this shit now.
Shit's so small, bro. The door's so small.
Set it up already, man.
Oh, you set up?
Yeah, man.
You put that sport plus and shit?
Yep.
Alright, then turn off the AC. Turn off the AC, why?
Vehicle info. Go down, scroll that down to vehicle info. No, spin
This?
that, yeah, to vehicle info. Press it. And then go down to sport, yeah, press it again. Yeah.
I don't fuck up shit. Come on now. It's me, nigga. Alright.
Alright, open this one.
Again, bro. Again, dog. Yes, sir. My boy said open the sunroof, okay. Yeah, we are coming in a style.
Gunshot.
Coming in a style. Hear this a idiot here. Ready again? Let me see if we can zoom down carefully. Fuck for no. We are idiot enough people.
Suspension
That is
soft.
Oh my god. Yeah, we turn on the indicator.
You just need to buy a drift.
Bro, that's how I was buying the 350Z, but this shit broke.
So when we fix it?
No. It done! It done! Yes, sir! Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Them done. Huh? Them good? Look.
Hey, Robert.
Yo.
That shit was crazy.
Huh?
Look, I caught when you got the whole shit.
When I got the whole one. That's you see.
Your intro.
Look, to catch that shit, boy. Yes, sir. That's how we do it, baby. Follow everybody. We got Fast Life Prince. We have Els Testo. We have Rich Gates and family. Gates family.
Yeah.
Okay. We got SRT Frost, Janaya Janae, Vaughn Hilton. Sister 2H. SRT Frost. He just started his channel. We Instagram. Huh? That's Betsy. I know, man. We got everyone. Wait, Instagram. Casio Tracks. So yeah, man. Be sure to follow everybody Instagram.
Later.
Yeah. Shit. All right, ladies and gents. That's it for this one. Follow everybody. Shout out to everybody for pulling up. These guys made a video possible for y'all, man. I ain't got no whip. Me I walk foot right now. No true, Joe. Bicycle now. I wheelie, that's it. But yeah, shout out to everybody. Check out everybody page, man. Casio Tracks. My boy got a long ass drive home. That's exactly how your car goes. Yep. That's it for this one, guys. Subscribe to the channel, man. Stay tuned. My boy Joe gone. Back in my rental, you know what I'm saying? When my baby was driving, you know what I'm saying? My baby came pick me up, you know? Back in the rental, man. We had to make content, so we had to go out there and film for y'all.
That's why we're so smart.
What this? You like it over the Hellcat?
Yeah, the Hellcat's so fast.
She's scared of the Hellcat, but she likes slower cars. Well, she loved the Range Rover. On, man. And I'm gonna just cruise home now. Alright guys, bye bye.
It'd be different.